Good morning friends. In the last video we are discussing about the determinants. Some MCQ on the determinants which will come under the Karnataka CET and JEE mains. Today we will extend some more MCQ on the determinants. Here first one is that if alpha, beta, delta are the roots of the equation x cube plus px plus q is equal to 0, then the value of the determinant is, what is the value of this determinant they are asking. Now they given that alpha, beta, gamma, sorry it is not a gamma, delta, alpha, beta, delta are the roots of this cubic equation. Then we know that what is the sum of the roots of the cubic equation. If it is the roots of the cubic equation is then alpha comma beta comma delta means whose sum alpha plus beta plus delta is equal to what? Sum of the roots of the cubic equation is the minus b by a. Minus b by a. Then this is equal to, what is the b is there? X square coefficient is not there. X square is not there. Then that becomes 0. 0 by anything is a 0. We got it, alpha plus beta plus delta is equal to 0. Okay. Now I want to find the value of this determinant. Before going to find the determinants, just I will make some operation here. Then C1 become, in this C1 become, can I take as C1 plus C2 plus C3. Then this become, what will happen, alpha plus beta plus delta. This is also beta plus delta plus alpha, then delta plus alpha plus beta. Then this as it is beta, delta, alpha, beta. Now we know that what is the value of alpha plus beta plus delta? It is a 0. Then everything is 0. The first column is 0. Then what is the value of the determinant? Is equal to 0. Then which option is right? First option. Let me move on to the next one. Okay. Next question. If A is equal to 3 cross 3 matrix, 2 lambda minus 3 0 2 5 1 1 3, this matrix, then A inverse does not exist. A inverse does not exist. Find the value of the lambda. Okay. See, if any matrix is A inverse is exist means then that is a non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix means if it is A inverse is exist means A inverse is exist means it must be a non-singular. It must be a determinant of A is must and should not equal to 0. If it is exist means they given that A inverse does not exist. Nothing but what we can say, determinant of A is equal to 0. What is the determinant of A? Let me find. 2 into 2 3 is 6 minus 5 1 is 5 minus lambda 0 minus 5 plus minus 3 is equal to 0 minus 2. Then it is equal to 2 plus 5 lambda is equal to 0. Then plus 3 to the 6 is equal to 0. Then 5 lambda is equal to minus 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 will go to that side minus 8. Then lambda is equal to minus 8 by 5. When the lambda become minus 8 by 5, then A inverse does not exist. Okay na? Then which option? Lambda value? There is no, that option is there. That's why none of these. Let me move on to the next one. Okay. Next one is that third one. If A and B are the invertible matrices, they are the invertible. Okay na? Then which of the following is not correct? Which of the following is not correct? Okay na? In this 4. Be careful when I given the synopsis. Some important shortcuts I gave. On the basis of that one it is there. Now A inverse is, we know that a formula to find a inverse, that is an 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Okay, from this A inverse into determinant of A is equal to adjoint of A. Okay na? Yes, this is the right. They are asking not correct. Okay, and also this is very important while giving the synopsis I gave. Determinant of, okay na, A inverse determinant is equal to determinant of whole inverse I gave property. This is also right. Then when inverse A and B are both are invertible means that is an AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Okay, now this is also I gave. But A plus B whole inverse is not equal to A inverse plus B inverse, otherwise B inverse plus A inverse, this is not equal. Hence, which option? Fourth one is not correct. Okay, let me move on to the next one. Okay, next one is that if A is equal to this matrix x 5 2 2 y 3 1 1 z, x into y into z is equal to 80 and 3x plus 2y plus 10z is equal to 20. Then what is the value of A into adjoint of A is equal to? One thing you should remember, A into adjoint of A is equal to what? Determinant of A into I. This you should remember, then only it is possible to find. Now what we need means I means identity matrix of order what? 3 cross 3. Okay, because which is A is the same order. Okay, first I want to find a determinant of A value. Determinant of A is equal to x. Determinant of A is equal to x into yz minus 3 minus 5 2z minus 3 plus 2 2 and z 2 minus y. Then this is a xyz minus 3x minus 10z plus 3 plus 4 minus 2y. Now this becomes xyz minus I will take common 3x plus 2y plus 10z plus 5 is a 15. Okay, 15 plus 4 19. Okay, now this become, they given that xyz value is how much? 80 minus this value they given, that become 20 plus 19. This becomes 79. Okay, now this is a, what is the A into adjoint of A is equal to what? Determinant of A is 79 into I. What you will get it? That is the 79. Now what is I means? 79 0 0 0 79 0 0 0 17. This is a 3 cross 3 matrix. You will get it. The options are the matrix. That's why space is less. That's why I didn't write an option. This option. It means that the determinant value is then 79. Then I. This is a value. You will get it. Okay. Let me move on to the next one. Okay. Next question is, if x, y, z are the real numbers, then the value of this determinant is equal to what? 10 or 12 or 1 or 0. Okay. Now here be careful what we can operate in this. If we operate C2 minus C1, we will get M, because values are the sum A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square is there. We will get it. I will do that. C2 become C2 minus C1. It is an, what is the value of this one? Just 1 I will check it. Okay, now what answer you will get? Same thing you will get it, because same is there. Okay, now A square plus B square minus 2 5x then minus 5x. Okay, now minus b square, sorry, this square of this A 5 2x then plus b square 5 minus 2x plus 2 5 to the power of base is same na, you should add it. 5 to the power of 0 you will get it. It is nothing but than 1. Okay na, 1 you will get it. Same way here 1. Okay na, then it become, this is a minus, get cancelled, then minus 2 here minus 2, minus 4 you will get it. Okay na, this C2 become minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 you will get it. Okay na, be careful, this is as it is. This become minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 you will get it 1 1 1. Now here minus 4 I will take common. In this something is there, here 1 1 1 1 1 1. In the determinant two columns are, sorry, here minus 4 I will take common in the second row, sorry, second column. This become 1 1 1 1 1 1. Third row, third column as it is. If in the determinant, if it is a two columns are same, then value of the determinant is 0. 0 into anything is a 0 only. Then what is the value of this one? 0. Which option? Fourth one. Okay. Okay friends. It is then some few questions on the determinants. Okay na? I will complete the determinants up to here. In the next video we will start with the continuity and differentiability. Okay na? In that continuity I will start in the next class. Thank you so much. Best of luck. Take care. Bye.